was at the house. I was a police officer. Mama went to the store to buy groceries. And she said, can you tend to the kids? I said, yeah. Well, they messed in their diapers. I just took them outside and got a water hose and washed them down. Mama drove up. What are you doing? I'm just washing them down. Sat over there and washed down. I said, they used a diaper. Messed in their diaper, and I took the water hose and washed them down.
Hosed them down like a car.
And that's why you call me what?
I didn't call you nothing then.
No, what you call me?
I called you Boo Boo Baby when you messed in my car. And every time I do it, you'd cry. Yeah. And I hope all your cheerleaders get to see this.
I'll let them see it.
They're gonna love it.
Yeah,
they'll love it.
Yeah, they'll like it.
Yeah, they will.
Yep. I'm glad you didn't like boiled eggs back in. Because I'd have to put you on that long black train.